Textbook integration with GEOTAB is fast and easy. Within GEOTAB, click System, Settings, then Add-ins. Enable add-ins if they're not already enabled, then click Add Add-in. Now, head over to the integration section of the textbook website. Download the HTML file and click Copy Code. Then, paste the configuration code within the Configuration tab. Be sure to update the support email line item with your own email address. Now, click the Files tab, then add the HTML file. Click OK, then Save. Textbook now appears under the System tab. From here, you can sign in and start booking and managing your installation projects. Don't have a textbook account? You can quickly and easily sign up without leaving GEOTAB. Textbook, effortless bookings with exceptional results.